guys, so we just accepted a job and we only have a few minutes, so we definitely have to get going on this one. Okay, let's go. Once you accept, you're going to want to go onto your portal. It'll show up there instantly, and this is kind of what it's going to look like. It's going to give you the address, the direction, the information about the property, the contact information for the guy, and then you're going to go onto the MLS. This is the property that they want to see. The MLS is going to give you even more information about the property, so you want to research it a little bit. Call the listing agents and then set up the appointments and have everybody meet you at a certain time and then go to the house. We're on our way to the property right now. I texted him. I said I'm about 5 minutes away. I'm gonna open up the door, let him in, see everything, and then once I finish up with him, I'll be able to show you guys the property and give you a little run through of what you do. I click this once and obtain key. Success. Push open, get the key. It's a very pretty door.
I know. I like the clearness of it.
So the client just left. As you can tell, it's a beautiful house. It's listed for about $750. They usually don't have any questions. They just say, what's the listing price? What year was the house built? And then your job's basically done. So then you go ahead and turn everything off again. You know, make sure everything is locked and secure. And then if the client is interested in buying the house, then you say like, okay, cool, awesome. I'll reach out to Opendoor. So you go back to your little portal. I reach out to Opendoor and let them know, hey, he wants to put in an offer. Or if he doesn't want to put in an offer, we do nothing. And we just go home and you log in your hours.